Welcome to the video. In this video we will talk about what is coronavirus. I will explain to you what coronavirus is. Let's go. Let's get right into it. So what is COVID-19 exactly? Coronavirus are a family of hundreds of viruses that cause respiratory tract infections. Coronavirus is one of 7 members of the coronavirus family. It is third in the past 3 decades to pass from animals to humans. It is a new strain that was first identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019, which later began to spread to other countries. So what are the symptoms of the virus? Similar to the cold or flu symptoms, they are fever, dry cough, fatigue, and shortness of breath. So, how is the virus transmitted? The virus is transmitted from person to person via respiratory droplets from airways of an infected person by coughing or sneezing. Infected people can cough in their hand and touch a hard surface, thus transferring the virus to the surface. The virus could stay on that surface for hours or even days, and if that surface isn't cleaned appropriately and you touch that surface, you could end up contracting with the virus if you touch your mouth, face, eyes, and etc. So how can you avoid getting the coronavirus? You can wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. You can clean and disinfect recently touched objects and surfaces. You could drink lots of fluids by not touching your face with unwashed hands, and if you cough or sneeze, cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or a bent elbow. And if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like and comment, and please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.